Hello, my name is Cheryl Pugh, and today we will be checking out a database I recently discovered called Scopus that is available through the King Library at San Jose State University. Scopus has the largest abstract and citation database of peer-reviewed literature, which includes journals, books, conference proceedings, and trade publications. It provides a comprehensive overview of the world's research output in the fields of science, technology, health, social science, arts, and humanities. Scopus is run by Elsevier, a Dutch company, established in 1880 as a publishing company which has evolved into a global information and analytics business. Scopus has over 71 million records, some as far back as 1788. 64 plus million are post 1970. 6.5 plus million are pre 1970. Over 23,000 peer-reviewed documents, more than 4,000 open access journals. These are peer-reviewed scholarly journals available without restrictions. 1.4 billion cited references after 1970. More than 166,000 books, including monographs, edited volumes, major reference works, and graduate-level textbooks. More than 600 book series, over 8.3 million conference papers, over 300 trade publications. Use Scopus to keep up with emerging trends, find potential research partners, analyze article metrics regarding usage, captures, mentions, and social media, and make sure crucial research from around the world is not missed. To access Scopus, you would log into the King Library website, click Articles and Databases, type Scopus in the search field. Once you get to the A to Z databases page, click Go, and it's going to bring up just one database. That's Scopus. You click on that to log in. And when you do, you're going to open up the document search page. Here is where you are able to perform basic searches. Scopus also gives you the ability to perform more advanced searches. The next two videos will showcase how to perform basic and advanced searches, as well as highlight additional tools you may find useful. For example, searching by author. You can stay up to date with email alerts and RSS feeds. You can use the cited by to see how many times an article has been cited by others. You can do an affiliation search, which will help you identify and match an organization with its research output. You can learn how to export your data to your RefWorks account. Well, this is my first time using Scopus, so let's explore Scopus together and see what we can learn about this interesting database.